Hello, in this tutorial I'll be covering the basic functions on how to edit content on the MySake Wiki, as well as some basic coding practices you should be aware of. Timestamps for each section and more information can be read in the video description. This is what the MySake Wiki looks like to everyone who isn't logged in. You cannot add or edit anything here, all you can do is read the content. This means you have to be logged in and approved before you can make any changes as mentioned in this sentence here. So I've now logged in, and you know you've logged in if you see your username on the top right section here. And there are several ways to edit a page. So I've made a test page here, and you can edit by clicking the edit button up here or the edit buttons on the headings beside each of the sections. For this example, we'll use the events section, so we'll edit that. And what I'm gonna add is a few words as an example, so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so once you've written down what you want to add or edit, you simply click on Show Preview, and there will be a preview on what you've just written. Now, if you look at Summary, it says Events, and what you want to add here is a quick summary on what you just did. So what I did was December added event. Something simple like that. And you want to click on minor edit if you, for example, made a mistake somewhere, but since this is not a minor edit, you can go on save changes. And your changes will now take place immediately after you press that. So now what happens if you click on the edit button at the top of the page? Well, that takes you to every single detail for every single section. This is useful if you want to edit multiple sections all at once. So let's try that. Let's say we want to remove the history text here. Remember, the history text has this text on it. And let's say we want to remove that for seasonality as well. So we can do that. Just delete that. Show preview like always. Now the text under history is removed and the text under seasonality is removed. And you can go removed, insert text, for history and seasonality. It doesn't have to be perfect. It can just be anything you want. You don't have to add a summary all the time, but it's useful if you do. And this is a minor edit because it's something very, very small. Let's save that. And that's it. There are lots of markups in MediaWiki, but I'll go through the basic ones you need to know. So firstly, there is a help section if you're editing a page. So let's edit events again. There's a help tab next to special characters that you want to click, and these will tell you a description, what you type, and what you get. So let's try that. Let's try the italic text first. So 2 apostrophes, testing, italics. Show preview. And you can see that's now in italics. Let's try bold, see if that one works too. Show preview, and that text is in bold. So this works. Now, if you want to put something in underline, which I don't recommend doing so, but if you want to do something in underline, you have to do the HTML coding for it, or the HTML markup, which is U for underline. This is underlined text. Oops, U. And you can see that is an underlined text. Now for the easy part, you can add a text in text sample. You can highlight the whole thing and you can go bold and it will do it automatically for you, these two, bold and italics. So next up is headings. How do you put headings like these on the page? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add a pairings heading between serving sake and seasonality. To do that, I need to click edit up top and find those pages. I can actually show preview so I can see the page and the code at the same time. So we want to add between serving sake and seasonality. So you want to find serving sake here and seasonality here. And you want to add a single space between the two sections. You want to do a double equal sign, a space, and the section you want to add, in this case, pairings. Now, this is also listed under headings in the help section. So help headings, and you can see the amount of headings that you can get. We're using a level 2 heading with 2 double equal signs and show preview. And there goes the heading. We've now added a heading. Don't forget to summarize this. So added a pairings heading. Or added a pairing heading. No, pairings heading. There's an S there. And that's not a minor edit, so we'll save changes. So next up is how to add a video. Now this one will take a bit more time, but I've already got a video here, so I'll show you how I did that. So I'll edit production. Here is the YouTube file. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste this, so we have 2 videos instead of 1. Show preview. Now we have 2 videos. So what I want to do is I want to change this link. This is the magic here, is this link. So you want to copy just the end of the video link. Go back to the section and paste that new video link. Now make sure to show preview on this because sometimes it doesn't work. And as you can see, we now have a different video. The sizes of the video can be changed here. So I'm going to change this to 300 and 250, for example. Show preview, and that's now going to be a bigger video. Don't forget to summarize the video and save the changes. And that's it. That's the basics of how to edit a wiki. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.